okay, I'm not afraid. I'll start this thing. So what I think that we overcame was being able to hire really good people. It's been a real tough year for 2021, but the last part of this year has been fantastic. Our accomplishments, we have really hired some great heroes in the homes. Thank you guys. Have a great year.
Something I learned this year would probably be being taught more leadership roles and leadership abilities by our wonderful leader.
I learned to have patience and to just never give up.
This year my position kind of drastically changed from just being in service to taking over a larger role in the production department. So one of the big things I learned is the difficulty of handling 30 people at once. And how I was able to overcome that was to kind of consolidate and treat the crews as my people and allow the crews to grow by taking care of each other. It was a difficult process, but I think ultimately it was worth it, and it ultimately taught me a lot more leadership abilities, and it's allowed me to grow into more of a driving force for the entire company.
This year I've learned that it is possible to never stop learning.
Cat bites are serious, and my goal for 2022 is to get my finger bending back the way it's supposed to.
I might say in 2021 I learned to live every day to the fullest. Doesn't mean necessarily doing something new, but really being able to help out others, learn something for yourself, improving yourself every day. The other big thing I learned in 2021 is to form your own opinion. Have your own judgment. Take some information you learn, but really get more information and have your own opinion of things.
All right, Daniel, what's your goal for 2022?
My goal for 2022 is to continue learning, growing, and one of my biggest things for next year is to spend more time with my family. Being my last year, my daughter's going to be in color guard, so I'm going to try to concentrate on spending a lot more time with that since that's going to be her last year.
I would have to say leadership, working with Travis, Tim, and Jimmy for the knowledge of being a great leader would be the goal that is going to be set forth for the next year.
To get better in my position that I'm working in right now.
My goal for 2022 is to be a better person.
I'm planning on buying a house with my wife.
My goal for 2022 is to just be more focused on being a better mom.
Just to continue to learn, continue to grow as a person, so I can be the best I can be, not only for myself, but for everybody I interact with. So just going to keep on keeping on.
My goal for 2022 is to continue to grow. I'm been blessed. I have the opportunity to just have a start over in my career, and I continue to learn, and my goal is to continue to learn.
In 2022, I am going to resist the urge to provide quick answers and replace that action with asking questions. I'm also considering a new hairdo.
I always forget pictures to turn in, and I always get in trouble for it. So Kelsey, I'm so sorry. But that's my resolution. I'm always gonna turn pictures in for the whole year. Yeah, well, forever after that, but you know what I mean.
To find a fair pair of work boots that'll work around here.
To gradually get someone on my crew to be promoted into a lead or a co-lead.